projects. Okay. Now, did you just see your resume, Kushi? Whatever. Did you see your resume which which I already sent you? Your resume. Okay. So this is your resume. I will just discuss these all the things one by one. But let's start with the brief knowledge of your projects. A brief knowledge. Whatever you have done means you can say according to resume you have done these projects. Okay, let's discuss. Start with yeah low very light. Okay, actually let's do one thing, Kushi. I'm just calling you by this. Maybe there is my mobile problem. Okay, Kushi. Yeah, just receive this call.
Hello.
Yeah, Kushi. Now, voice clear?
Yeah.
Now, so today just we are going to discuss about your resume and within resume mainly your projects. According to resume you have done till now. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, one second. Let's see what you have done. ये कैसे रख गई थी? Okay, let's start with this website H Relate India. Okay?
Yeah.
Now, this website has been done with the Codeigniter. Codeigniter is a one kind of framework of PHP. Okay, you can divide the PHP into two parts: a framework or a CMS. Okay, what is
Yeah.
a framework? Framework is nothing else just a PHP coding. But if we are using framework, in framework there is so many libraries of reusable code and just give some functionality of PHP that we just write less coding and do more. So these are the frameworks. CMS stands for content management system. CMS is also the same thing just but different way. Okay,
Yeah.
you can divide your PHP in CMS and the framework. Yeah, we will discuss one about the one CMS also means WordPress and one framework. We will just discuss about the code of CMS and the code of our framework. Okay, you just remember PHP can be divided into two parts: CMS and the framework. So this website is created with the one second with the one CMS content management system, the Drupal. One second, it is project UI Drupal. CMS. What is the CMS? Content management system. The did you hear anywhere about the WordPress? One second, Kushi.
Okay. Yeah.
WordPress is one kind of CMS. Drupal, WordPress, Magento, these are the name of our CMS. Okay, Kushi?
Yeah.
So this project is created with the Drupal, our CMS, Content Management System. Just remember that this project is created with the CMS of Drupal. Okay, a PHP CMS, Content Management System. CMS stands for Content Management System. The one kind of the
So
Drupal is
this
a,
project is created with CMS.
yeah, this project is created with CMS. Sorry, this project is with CMS. With CMS,
CMS and Drupal.
Drupal. This Drupal.
CMS Drupal.
Yeah, the name of CMS for that project is Drupal. Okay.
Okay.
Now, H Relate India. In the website URL of this project. Okay. Okay. This project is developed for this project is developed for just maintaining information of medical experts. Okay, means the information of any medical care, the physician, therapist, dentist, means all the information of doctors and the medical care. We just put all the information into our website and user can access our website and search the particular medical care or particular doctor nearby, particular medical care and doctor. Did you understand, Khushi,
Yes.
why we create this
Yes.
project?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, what is your role? Just this is your role. I'm just going to briefing. Not this project is the describing is not complete today. I'm just briefing all the projects, nothing else. This is your role. I have developed this website using CMS like Drupal. The entire backend is coded by just forget about this line. Okay, Drupal,
Okay.
and just forget about this line after Drupal. Okay.
Okay.
This is not correct. Okay, I have provided customized Drupal admin for client to manage the content of the website as per the client needs. Means you have created this website in a CMS, and you are within the CMS there is some themes are pre created, means already created themes. You have to just integrate that themes for using your project. Themes, you understand themes?
No.
Khushi, means themes means just kind of you can say a module, a already created module in HTML and with the PHP. Already created module means there is only module for login. Means you have to just put some minor changes and you can use that module into your website. That is same as themes. Okay, so we created, so this is your role. You have just created this project within this with the CMS of Drupal, and you use the themes, just nothing else, just a pre-defined or pre-coded modules. Okay, just keep in your mind just pre-coded modules. Okay, Kushi.
Yeah. You
Now,
said theme. THEME theme.
sorry.
Uh, you said I use theme in this project.
Means according to resume, this resume will be the your final resume for your job seekers or for your interviews.
Yes.
So
Yes. Yes.
in this resume you have created, means according to this resume you have created this website. Okay, means not
Yes.
only you have created this website with your teams. Okay, with your team,
Yes.
one of the member, you are of your team who created this website. This website is only for India. Okay,
Yes.
means it gives the information about the doctors and the medical cares in India only. Okay, Khushi?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is the simple project. Analyze what is responsible. Analyze project requirement and design specifications. You just design the particular things as per requirement. Nothing else. Design specifications. Okay. Just keep in your mind. I will just describe in our future session more. Develop GUI using Drupal, PHP, HTML and JavaScript. GUI means graphical user interface, means how look your website. It depends on designing on GUI. You just create it, you develop using Drupal or CMS, PHP or PHP coding, HTML and the JavaScript, and you can add also CSS. Okay.
Yes.
Provide customized Drupal admin to manage the content of the website. In the Drupal, means I already told you, in the CMS there is a predefined, pre-coded modules are there. For admin also there is a pre-coded modules. So what you have done, you provided customized Drupal admin manage the, means you have just changed that module according to the requirement, nothing else. The meaning of this line, we have just customized that pre-coded module according to requirement, as per the requirement. Okay. Created complex query table and database in core PHP, means you have created tables, our simple MySQL tables, nothing else. Okay.
Yes.
Organized and the prioritized testing activities. Testing means you just tested your project, is there any bug, test your means if you created any module, you have just test by entering different kind of data and just trying to saving, is there any error. It is called the testing. After creating, you have to test your website also. Okay.
Yes.
Provide end user training and the support, means if any enhancement comes, then we just code as per our client requirement, means we provide the enhancement support also. Okay. And user training and the support. Technical environment: PHP 5, JavaScript, MySQL, Apache, CSS and the Ajax. Ajax, we will discuss about the Ajax. Apache is our server, MySQL Apache server. There's two kind of server, one PHP server and one MySQL server or not. MySQL for database, Apache for our coding. Okay.
Yes.
CSS just used for designing. JavaScript client side scripting language, and PHP our simple PHP. PHP 5 is the version, nothing else. And Ajax, we use Ajax. Ajax is asynchronous JavaScript and XML. We will discuss about the Ajax. Ajax just used for fetching or retrieving or sending data without refreshing your page. Okay, without refreshing your page, without refreshing your whole page, you can just send the data or retrieve the data from the database. Just remember this, nothing else, just without refreshing whole page. Okay.
Oh.
Ajax is without refreshing whole page, you can send or retrieve the data from database. Okay.
Yes.
Education summary. No, this is not important. Master in Science and Technology, University of Biodiversity. This is not important. So this is your one project in your resume. Before one,
So if
Weblicon.
they're gonna ask me what you did in this project, I can say that I created this project with CMS. Drupal and is developed for just maintaining the information of medical care?
Yeah, exactly. Okay, exactly. You have to just give with the CMS of Drupal. Drupal is a CMS of PHP. Okay, Wikibone, the web application developer. Wikibone, the Marlborough MA. Wikibone is the worldwide community for participating technology, and the consultant decided to improving the adoption in technology and business system through an open source sharing and free advice. 1 second, Kushi. Knowledge by the combining innovation technology into enterprises. Okay, this the second project is one kind of the multimedia website. Okay, okay, Kushi. The project to allow you. Okay, Kushi. So this is our second project.
Yes.
Yeah, Kushi. Do you understand?
Yes.
First one, H related. H
Yes.
athlete. Okay. The second one is Wikibone. I will just send you the URL also in with our today's session. All the URL for our this projects. For URL for projects. Okay. Wikibone is the one kind of multimedia website, and just download purchasing of ringtone, nothing else. Just a simple website to purchasing or just listening ringtone. Okay, and the information will be saved to database, nothing else. Okay,
Yeah. So Wikibone is a multimedia company?
and the knowledge, sorry.
Yeah. So this company is like multimedia company?
No, not multimedia. Only multimedia means this website we use. Wikibone means this is the website we created. I will just send you the URL also of that particular website. This is just a sharing information plus multimedia. Okay,
Okay.
technology consultant decided to improve the adoption of technology in the business system. Okay, just try to, I will just send you the URL. Try to understand more. Go to the about us page of this website. Learn more about this website. What exactly the working of that website. Okay, if you have any confusion, just ask me in tomorrow session. Let's discuss about your role for this website. Okay, what you have
Okay.
done. In this project, I have used core PHP, HTML, PHP. What is there any framework or CMS? No, it is just built with our core PHP. Core PHP means there is no framework and no CMS. Okay, the core coding, what we are just learning right now at present, the core coding. This website is built with the core PHP and our MySQL database. We use MySQL and HTML and CSS just for designing. You got the point, Kushi?
Yeah.
So we use core PHP, MySQL, HTML and CSS for developing our website. Okay, I have integrated all type of social media like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter. Also use Twitter API to fetch the library to Facebook. Okay. Did you see any website option? Means in the registration page there is one option. There is one more option. Login with Facebook. Did you
Yeah.
see in any website
Huh?
login with Facebook or login with Twitter? Kushi?
Yeah.
Yeah, just Facebook and Twitter and LinkedIn just provide to when means just give can give us a code, a APIs means predefined libraries which we can integrate into our website, and user can directly click. If he click on that particular link, then he can log in with that particular Facebook, and the information, the basic public information of that user will be saved into our database. If he means, what is the registration page? Simple, filling the information of a particular user and saving to database or not. Yes, in the core coding we just discuss about the registration page, Khushi.
Yeah.
Yeah, so same as if what is our requirement? Our requirement is I just want to integrate Facebook login and Twitter login, LinkedIn login in my website. Means users don't have to register by my registration page. He just have to click on that link and just allow access to by his Facebook account, then he can log in also. This is the one optional login in our website, nothing else. Okay, we just, so in this project you have done the Facebook, LinkedIn and Twitter login, Twitter optional login with the API that provided by Facebook and the link ID and Twitter. Did you get the point? The optional login with our social media means you integrated APIs of Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter in this project. Okay,
Yeah.
you have coded the core PHP and the MySQL. Yeah, MySQL is just for our database, nothing else. Responsibilities: created the user interface by HTML and PHP exclusively cited, and the configure CSS3 file to modify the optimized user interface. Nothing else. User interface means the designing of your website, how your website will look, nothing else. Okay, means
Yeah.
the main designing of your website, you use just HTML, CSS3 and the PHP. Okay, actually in the designing we have to use, means mainly used languages HTML and the CSS. CSS stand for cascading style sheet. Okay, used to just design HTML elements. Okay,
Yeah.
and we just created the database using MySQL and the optimized data in other to alleviate the burden on the server. Means we use just from MySQL database in for storing the data, whatever the requirement. We just created the table as per our requirement, and we fetch the data, retrieve, update and delete all the things using MySQL database. Okay,
Yeah.
and they took the complaint, the suggestion, communication, different apartment about the system, meeting with the college, solving problem on weekly basis. Means this is one kind of mm, testing, live testing you can say. If you just tested your website, if any error comes, you just rectify and resolve that error. Means you just checking timely basis your website is running correctly or not. This sentence just mean that, nothing else. Okay,
Okay.
tested all functions of the application, both technical perspective. Same thing, the testing result in the root report or application life cycle analysis. Just this is just a testing. Means when you created your website, we have to test our website with all the cases. Just put the different situation into our pages. Try to just enter different kind of inputs, different kind of searching. We just tested our website after creating. Okay, Kushi?
Yes.
So these points are just for testing. Okay, technical environment, same environment, nothing else, the simple environment. No framework and no CMS. Okay, so this is your
Yes.
second project. I will just share you link of this project also, but you have to just serve all this website. Try to just read about of this website. It means about us. Just try to register, try to search if there any search option, try to understand the working of this website. Okay, the same thing you
Okay.
just have to say there. Just first thing is, if you want to know about any website, first where you have to go in the about us page. Where, Kushi?
Sorry?
If you want to know of any website, you have to go to about us page first. Okay,
Yes.
so
Yes.
just go to about us page. Then within the about us page, they just give the brief description exactly what is the working of this website, means why they created the website and for whom they created the website. Okay, for what kind of users. So just check the about us page first and try to serve all the website. Try to log in, try to search if there is any option of searching, if there is any option of registration. Okay, the next thing, mm, MultiG Designer, www. This is the URL of this website. MADDIEGDESIGNS.com. Okay.
Sorry? Sorry? Can you repeat again, please?
Yeah. This is the third website. Okay.
Maddie. Yes.
Madi G Designs. Okay. And this is the URL
Yes.
for this website. Means these all our websites are live. Means these are the live projects, live websites. Okay.
Yes.
Now let's discuss about this website. PHP developer, web designer, means this website is created in with the PHP. Is there any, one second, let me see, any framework or is there any framework or it is also in core? CMS, GUI, PHP, HTML, JavaScript. No, it is also in core PHP. Core PHP means a simple PHP code. Okay, and our MySQL server for database. So this website designs LLC in your comprehensive buying service for all of your own home. Okay. One second, one second. Let me just read this. नहीं,
सेटिंग हो तो जो लॉक होगा वो भी तो हटा देंगे
वो हटा दी।
देखना पड़ा आरएनडी करना पड़ेगी
नहीं, मेरे को लगा उसकी फाइल है वो, मैं बैठा नहीं उस पे, वो एक्चुअली धर्मश्री ने किया था, अभी तक मैं बैठा नहीं उस पे। मैं देख रहा हूँ तो मेरे पास फाइल में होगा टेंशन। हेलो हेलो हेलो,
Hello.
वन सेकंड, प्लीज बी ऑनलाइन। हेलो, दोस्त, बात कर लो। टाइम लगेगा मेरे को 20 मिनट। पहले अच्छी खबर की जा साले, अच्छी खबर की सुनाओ। 20 मिनट लगेंगे मेरे को, थोड़ा अर्जेंट फंसा हुआ। पलासिया, अच्छा अच्छा ठीक, हाँ ठीक ठीक। Sorry Christy for interruption. Okay, so this is one website. Magic Design is comprehensive buying service for all your home decorating needs. We offer full access of fabric, furniture, lighting, flooring, accessories, and the typical available for creative trade is needed. Arrange for your visit local trade only showroom and designer center to make your final selections. Nothing else, just a website. If you want to just design, decorate your home, but it is for maybe 1 second. Let me just open this for India. Same thing, same website also for only India. Okay, let me just check. Just try to put the URL and open. You will get the website. Okay. Go to privacy. There is one about us page also. Contact, so how it works means about us. Okay, trade only the desire. LLC, simple process, place your order. Contact us, let me see the contact us, then we will get which city, which country. Clients. Serve your website, you will get understand. Notes. One second, Kushi. Yeah, price in dollar, it means it is for US. Actually, just surf the website, try to register, try to log in, try to just shop, don't shop, just go to the last page. You will just understand the working of this project. Okay, it is just for your designing your home. Okay, 1 second. So many interruptions. Khushi, are you there? Khushi?
Yes.
Yeah, so sorry for interruption again. Actually, interrupted. There is the resume. Yeah, yeah. So this the third website. Third website is used for where is, yeah, design just to design your home. Okay, buying the services of design. Okay, home decorating, full access of fabrics, furniture, lighting, flooring, everything you can purchase online for online these the things from this website. Okay,
Yes.
this e-commerce website is developed in WordPress. Okay, WordPress, sorry, WordPress means the CMS. PHP can be divided into two parts. One is CMS, second is framework. So this website is built in with the CMS. Which CMS? WordPress. WordPress also one CMS like Drupal. WordPress, Drupal, Magento. These are the CMS of PHP. What is the CMS? Stands for Content Management System. Okay. These
Yes.
CMS, why we use CMS? Okay, let's start. Why we use CMS? CMS, these CMS just provide us a pre-coded modules. I already just told you. Pre-coded module means all the coding, yeah, already done. But we have to just changes as per our requirement. We don't have to just start from the beginning, the HTML tag and all the things. No, we have the module, we have to just use that module. So that is CMS. Okay, okay, Khushi.
Yes.
Yeah, so WordPress is also one CMS of PHP. We will just discuss about the WordPress. Means maybe I'm not going to teach the CMS because I know about the frameworks. I just work on the frameworks. So maybe the Ankit sir will just describe about the WordPress. All the CM means one CMS. We will just teach you one CMS and the brief description of other CMSs. Okay, we will discuss briefly about the WordPress. Don't just afraid. If you don't understand right now, just try to read again, and just try to serve the just serve the website. You will understand the project. Just you have just you have to just say there about the project, nothing else. Okay, what is the project? What you have done? Nothing else. So
So
this
in this
project.
project, I just develop a website to create their own design.
Yeah, this website is created in WordPress, but you created, yeah, you created, but right now you have to just understand about the brief description only. Yeah, we will just teach you how you created. Right now, just understand what you created. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so this website is built in with the WordPress and the form level functionality. I have used the core PHP and the JavaScript and added the card payment gateway integration buyer and the online and customized WP admin panel to the admin website through the admin. I have also worked in product image designing according to fit. Okay, website built with the WordPress. Okay, we use the JavaScript and the PHP also. JavaScript and the PHP also in for creating our website. Pay cart, add to cart means just did you surf any shopping website? Means if you like any product, you just click on one button, add to cart, and after that, but after the adding of that cart, you can just buy that product. Did you see any shopping website, e-commerce website?
Yeah.
Yeah, the same functionality add to cart means product adding to your cart for purchasing. Payment gateway, the payment gateway used to just purchasing the product. Particular product means it will just use for transaction, bank transaction, online transaction means using the payment gateway. The amount of that for that particular product can be deducted from the user's account. Okay, we use for that payment gateway means online banking. You can say online banking integration in our website. We use payment gateway. Okay, okay, Kushi.
Yeah.
Now, integration of buy and product online, the customizer WP admin panel to manage the website through the admin. This is the WP admin panel means WordPress. WP full form WordPress. WordPress or CMS. WordPress admin panel means I already just told you the code module. Already coded modules are there. It called the CMS. So there is one admin module also and the front end module means whatever you have changed from the backend. Backend means from admin module. It just is all these changes will be reflected on your front end. So this is the working of WordPress. We will discuss about the WordPress more, how we create, how we just check. Okay. Work with the product image designing according to fit the product page, layout the website using HTML means we just design and layouting with the HTML and using the CSS. CSS stands for cascading style sheet. Okay. Okay, Kushi. So this website is
Yes.
for home decoration, lighting, flooring, acceleration. Website created with WordPress, and we use the card system, payment gateway, and admin module to manage our website. What we use? Card system, payment gateway, admin module to manage our website and design as per our client requirement in HTML and CSS. Okay.
Okay.
Responsibility: analyze the WP admin panel structure and customize according to the client need. Nothing else. The WP admin WordPress admin. Admin means there is module, pre-coded module we call the admin. Means whatever you have changed there as per your requirement, the front end just reflect that changes. Okay. So this is one
Okay.
kind of pre-coded module. What I'm just saying, pre-coded module means all the coding is coded before. We have to just change that code as per our requirement, nothing else. Okay. So these are the pre-coded module. WordPress, CMS, one kind of CMS. Of this CMS, this is one module, admin module. Okay, we just change as per our client requirement. Development GUI using PHP 5, HTML5, and JavaScript, and the CSS. You can just include CSS also. Okay, object oriented concept widely used the develop this project. Yeah, OOPS concept, object oriented concept means the class and the object. Class and the object. I will just describe the object oriented concept. Okay, we didn't discuss about the object oriented concept. Okay, just keep in your mind you have used object oriented concept. Means object oriented, nothing else. We just use coding in class and object. Means you can just say that car is a class, and a particular car means Audi is the object of class. So this is the real time example. Same as we use code, means we create a class of our coding. There is so many codes within the class, and we create the object of that class, and we use the code. Okay, just like a function. Okay. So we will discuss
Mm.
about the object oriented concept in our future session. Just keep in your mind we use object oriented concept for this project. Okay. Implemented Ajax is also one kind of technology. By using this, you can just fetch or retrieve or send the data without page refresh. Means you can communicate with the server without page refresh. Without refreshing whole page, you can communicate with the server. Just keep in your mind. What is the Ajax, Kushi? You can communicate with the server, with your database server or your server without refreshing your page. You can communicate without refreshing your page. You can communicate with the database or with your server without refreshing the page, without refreshing the whole page. Okay.
Yeah.
Just like you can take example, Facebook like button. In the Facebook there is one like button or not, Khushi?
Yeah.
If we click like, our whole page will not going to refresh. Just here there we like, yeah, one like counted means one plus like plus, and there is one next button unlike button appears. Means our like will be stored in database also, but without refreshing that particular page. If clicking on like only, if our page refreshed, if Facebook page refreshed, then so many there is more burden on the Facebook server. That's why they use Ajax for just for like. Okay, means so there is Ajax for so many things in Facebook. The like is just one example of Ajax. Okay, so Ajax is one kind of technology. Asynchronous JavaScript and XML, full form of Ajax. Asynchronous JavaScript and XML. We use Ajax for just communicating with the server without refreshing whole page. Okay.
Yes.
Now, test is the function, just testing, communicating with the both technical tester, just testing, nothing else. We just tested about the system, analyze possible solution, fix the problem, provided technical support for the customer after the implementation of system. Means if there any concern, contact even in the contact us page. If any concern sent by the customer, we just take care of that, nothing else. Okay, just read out this project also. Just try to serve this project using this URL. I will just send you the URL also. Okay. Now the last one. What is the last one? One second. This is the summary. Um, what is the name of your last project? One second. I just tell you what push. Just don't afraid of your resume. You are going to just learn all the things, but slowly. Okay. Just try to just ready yourself to say something about your projects, about your resume. I'm doing, I'm just trying to uh, just get you ready to say. If anybody asks about the project, you can say at least something or regard related about related your project. Okay, just don't get
Yes.
afraid about your resume. You will just get all the knowledge, or the knowledge of the our CMS and the frameworks, how to create the projects, all things, but slowly, not in once. Okay, right
Yes.
now just try to understand the working only. Don't just try to understand how it works, what is do. Yeah, just concentrate on what, how, just let it be as it is. We will discuss how. Okay. Okay, Kushi.
Yes.
Okay, what is our third one? Financial services voluntary corps. Okay, this is our third one. What we use in this project: framework, Zen framework, coordinator, WordPress, super. One second, Photoshop, Dreamweaver, the financial service volunteer non-profit. Is there any link? One second. No, link. I have the links. One second. I will send you these links. Okay. Financial Service Voluntary Corps. Okay, built with. Just give me 2 minutes, Kushi. I'm just checking the framework or the CMS of this project. Yeah, content management system Drupal. We use again one CMS, okay, Drupal. But we used for this project Drupal CMS, okay. Just forget
Yes.
about this line. We will just remove this line, okay. We use a content management system Drupal for this project, okay. We
Yes.
already discussed what is the Drupal, a CMS of PHP. PHP can be divided into two parts, a CMS and a framework. The Drupal, WordPress, Magento, these are the example of CMS. Okay, CMS stands for Content Management System. This project also created in the one CMS is Drupal. Okay,
Yes.
we use HTML, JavaScript, and you don't MySQL database. Okay, MySQL database don't just we will remove this only one. MySQL database can be used only one database in one project. We use MySQL. Okay, Apache Web Server, and just forget about this line. Means no framework, only CMS Drupal. Okay,
Yes.
designing tools, just a designing tool, nothing else. Designing and developing tool, these are the Photoshop. You know, already know about the Photoshop. Means we just design images with the Photoshop. You didn't work with, you are not designer. Actually designer just did his work with the Photoshop. If anybody asks you about the designing, you just say yeah, there is a designer is different and developer is different. Means you can just divide the pupil in two form for any project, in two category for any project. One is designer and second one is developer. Okay, so you are designer, not you are basic design, you are mainly developer. Okay, designer, what designer do exactly? Designer just concentrate on the designing only. Okay, okay, Kushi. So this financial service voluntary corps is also used the CMS or Drupal CMS. Okay, the financial service voluntary corps is non-profit, private, public partnership that help you build sound financial system to education of emerging market countries. Cause or concentrate on the strength central bank capacity, building commercial banking system, and developing capital market. Major additional area of work included improving access to financial services for small and medium-sized enterprises, financing the computing money. This is just a website for just give the information of the financial and the banking system. Okay, just inform me. Just keep in your mind this website is created for financial services and the banking system, information about the banking system. Okay, Kushi, do you get the point?
Yes.
Just try to,
Can you,
yeah.
so this website, what is it?
Sorry,
The last one, what is it? Is to, this
size
website
and
is for?
small and the medium sized enterprises, SMES, small and medium sized enterprises. Okay, oh, Okay, Kushi. Now let's discuss your role in this project. Backend PHP developer for based developer based source technology implement changes as per the requirement. Okay, you just use the Drupal CMS. In the Drupal, there. What is the CMS? The already coded module or not? We already discussed already coded module. So in every CMS there is two modules. One is front end. Second one is a backend. Backend, or you can say admin module. Okay, you use the admin module to change your front end as per the requirement of this project. Okay, so this is just your role. Develop GUI application, PHP, HTML, JavaScript, and Adobe. This is just for designing HTML5 and the Adobe Photoshop. Okay, PHP and the JavaScript also used somewhere for designing GUI. GUI, full form of GUI, graphical user interface. Okay, developed and optimized code in PHP and the MySQL. And PHP MySQL, not only PHP, you use the Drupal, the CMS. Okay, same object oriented concepts, same as your last project. Means you use class and the object forms as you needed, as per your requirement. Just keep in your mind, just I will just describe you object and the classes. Okay, embedded flash video into the pages using the action script. Means you are just give the one service, or you can say one facility in your website to playing the videos in your website. Okay, using this action script. There is one script we will discuss when we are going to just learn the CMS. We just discuss about this action scripts and how we just on the video player, how we integrate, you can say how we integrate the video player in our website. All the things, just you have to just remember right now. You have done that. What you have done, you have to just know this. How you have done, we will just discuss about the how. Okay, modify the picture, use Photoshop just for designing, nothing else. Same, monitor and the maintain the database either implementation of the project. Means you use the MySQL database and the database designing database, the table of structure, database schema used per as per the our requirement, or you can say the client requirement for this website. Working on content management system of Drupal, yeah, we use the Drupal for that. Client side validation, develop code for performing client. Just remove this, just forget about the last line. This is the wrong. Okay, JavaScript is client, yeah, client side validation we use for JavaScript. Okay, yeah, you can add this line. JavaScript we use client side validation. We already discussed about the validations, the server side and the client side. The JavaScript validation we don't just discuss in detail. We will discuss about the JavaScript validations. Okay, these are the client side. If in, but within the PHP, that is called the server side validation. Okay, okay, Kushi.
Yes.
So these four are your project. The brief knowledge I just brief you about this project. You just have to just search on the internet of this project link. Try to understand the working of exactly why we created, why that project has been created. Just try to understand and try to just give the answer. If anybody asks you once, anybody just ask you, just tell me about your project. So you have to give the brief description why it is created, how we created, what we use for creating this project. Means the CMS, which CMS, means let example the Drupal, and which database, MySQL. Okay, the working of this website. Just the simple things, nothing else. Okay.
Oh.
Just try to read again one by one. Just read one project and just open into your browser. I will send you for all the links of these projects. Try to understand. Okay, you go to about us page and try to register, try to add to cart if these are the shopping website. Just try to understand the flow of websites, nothing else. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Khushi, that's it for today's session. We will just discuss more about the project in tomorrow session. Your task is just I will just ask you about the projects tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, just I will send you link in email. Bye bye Kushi. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Bye.